guys, we are going to our friend. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, we're going to our friend. We, as in me and my dog, are going to a dog birthday party today for my friend Tamara's chocolate lab, and her name is Bailey, and it's Yosemite's best friend, and he loves her, and they're gonna get married. And we got her a pound of treats from Petco, and we got her this little thing that says happy birthday. Are you excited? Are you so excited? He's like, what are we doing? What's going on? Yeah, so let me show you what it's like. I've never been to a dog birthday party, but I'm sure it's gonna be great. Maybe it's open.
Hi.
Hi! Oh my goodness!
I was wondering where they were all like looking out there. Yeah, he was really stubborn and he was.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Bailey's mom made this cake.
It's the.
Isn't this the best birthday party ever?
Yosemite, it's not your birthday.
It's not yet.
Soon.
Soon will be your birthday.
He's like, it's almost my birthday. Does it count?
It's not really her birthday either.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
You better clean up all those crumbs you put all over the floor.
Bailey, come on. You already ate your piece.
She can have another one later when they sing your happy birthday all over again.
Boomer, no. Boomer, no. Boomer.
He's like, if they don't know how to do it, I can do it.
I can help, just let me know.
Alexis, you ate
Have
yours.
Here, let me show you how to do this.
Huh?
Have him face this way.
Boomer, come over here.
Here, you did. My fingers are.
Boomer, here.
Come on, you spoiled. You know he doesn't eat until like 9 o'clock at night. This is a dog party! A successful one at that, isn't it? Alright, YouTube family, we have gotten to my parents' house. They just moved to Sacramento from Texas, and my mom invited me to stay the night with Yosemite. So let's see how this goes. Little does she know he's so dirty from the dog party. Come on. Go. Hi. Wow, that's a lot of DVDs. Hug. Hello. Oh, Yosemite.
Come on, baby. Oh, jump. Jump. Come over here. Come on. One picture for you and me for Tia Sylvia. Stand up. Come on.
Say hi.
Hi.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You're crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said. I like the way she go to work. She got the tools, the thighs, the curves. I like the way she go to work. She like the groove, the grime, the dirt. I like the way she go to work. She got the tools, the thighs, the curves. I like the way.
So if you liked the video, go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, share on Facebook. But nobody uses Facebook anymore, so it doesn't really matter if you liked it or not. We liked it, right? Right here. He's not feeling very talkative today. Okay, bye.